Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu states, "We accompanied by women and children set out along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam wearing ihram for Hajj. After reaching Makkah Mukarramah, when we performed circumambulation of the Kaaba and marched between Safa and Marwa, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'Whosoever does not have a sacrificial animal should take off the ihram.' We submitted, 'How can we exert the restrictions of ihram?' He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'To get out of the state of ihram absolutely.' We visited our wives, put on stitched clothes and perfume. On the day of Tarwiyah, 8th of Zulhajj, we wore ihram, and first march between Safa and Marwa was declared enough for us. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam commanded us 7 men should share a camel and a cow. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 2932.